So in this video we will be talking about how to manage the users in your Linux system. So there is a command called add user, and you need to say add user space, sorry. So when I type the add user, it has told that only root may add a user or group to the system. So to execute this add user as a root user, you need to say sudo add user. Now type in your computer's password. So I want to specify the username, and it says adding user Nikhil and adding new group Nikhil, adding new user Nikhil with 1001 as a user ID with the group Nikhil. So I want to now type a password for the user Nikhil. Let's say password is also Nikhil, and let me retype this. So now our Nikhil password has been stored successfully, and it will ask some extra information. So my name is Nagasai Nikhil. Okay, I am telling my name. Don't do open reconnaissance, OS and open source intelligent techniques. Okay, a room number, I don't have a room. Okay, let's type 69, work phone 000, and home phone 000s, another 000s. Is this information correct? Of course, yes. Now our user has been created successfully. So now to switch to that user, there is a command called su. Su stands for substitute user, or you can just simply say switch user. I want to specify the user I want to shift to, su Nikhil, and it will ask for password. Now what I want to do is I want to type the password for the username Nikhil. So as you can see guys, before the prompt was Nikki@Ubuntu, now it has been changed to Nikhil@Ubuntu. That means I have successfully logged in as Nikhil user with my password. Now if I type who am I for double checking the answer, it says Nikhil. So I want to go back to Nikki user. I want to say su Nikki, and I want to type in my password. I'm not going to say this one. Now what if I want to delete the username? So there is a command called sudo userdel. I add user and del user, right? Del user Nikhil. Okay, delete user has been executed and removing user Nikhil. Warning: group Nikhil has no more members. User Nikhil is currently used by the process and return the error code exiting. So now our Nikhil user has been removed. Let's make sure that there is no Nikhil user. I want to switching to Nikhil. Okay, now there is Nikhil. I think I need to restart the system. So yes, I think I need to restart our system. Okay, this is the command used to delete a username, and add user is used to add a new user to the system.